Hello! So today we have a AUTOTERM heater, formerly known as Planar, I think. It's made in Russia, and the model number is Air 2D. So 2 kilowatt heater, 12 volts diesel, yeah? Actually, we are gonna do an unboxing today to see what's inside this and how it's delivered to customers. So first of all, I want to mention the box, which is really compact compared to the AUTOTERM one. Everything is inside here, 7 kilos of weight. Okay, so let's see what we have here. I'm really curious. It's the first time I get this heater, so let's see with what it's delivered to us and how it looks. So we have the box open. What do we have here? Okay, so we have a warranty certificate. It's filled up with a date of purchase, probably this is the serial number, and so on. We have some stickers, and yeah, we have some manuals, also a sticker with some information. Probably it's a duplicate of the one that we probably have on heater, yeah, just like the AUTOTERM one. So let's go in this order. We have the fuel line. I think this is 2 millimeters inside, really thick fuel line compared to what we are used to at AUTOTERM. 5 millimeters outside diameter, and this is probably from the fuel pump. Okay, next we have the silencer. The muffler is constructed just like the AUTOTERM one. You have an inlet, and then you have a curve inside, and we can see some fibers, probably to silence the sound when the air goes through this muffler. Okay, next we have a control panel, and probably here they have more options. The one that we got, we can see it's a digital one. Let's take it out. Yeah, a mounting plate, kind of. Yeah, I think so. These two screws that we have here will fix this back side of the controller, and then everything just clips in here. Now I see a hole here. Probably there is a temperature sensor. Yeah, they sound a little bit cheap. This one sounds better. Okay, so actually taking a closer look at the controller's manual, I was interested what it can do, and we see some interesting working modes. So we have temperature mode, which says the heater will maintain the set temperature by reducing the heating power without shutting off the combustion process. So this is interesting. This will say that the heater will work at minimal power, but I don't know, will it stop at a temperature when it bypasses that temperature, or will it just keep working on minimum until you stop the heater? This we'll see when we test it. Power mode. Yeah, so this will operate the heater at a constant power level. So you set the heater to say let's 50% of the heating power, and the heater will work at that power regardless of what is happening to the temperature. At least this is what I'm understanding here, similar to the Chinese heaters, I think, some of them, in which you cannot control the temperature, you just set the hertz of the pump and the ventilation speed, which actually means the power level, and it will work on that power level until you stop the heater. Now this one is interesting, heat plus ventilation. In this way it says that when the heater will reach the set temperature, the combustion process will stop, but the fan will keep on working until the temperature drops by 5 degrees of the set point, and then it will restart the heating process, the combustion process, and then it will heat again. So this one will keep the fan working all the time. And another mode is thermostat mode, and this is probably the most usual to Eberspacher and other heaters. The heater will operate into the set temperature or a little bit above it, and then it will stop the fan and also the burning process. Yeah, and it will start again when the sensor from the heater or from the control panel, so this has a temperature sensor here, will drop by, probably you can set this offset, so how many degrees can it drop until it starts the heating again. And an interesting thing that I found is the ventilation mode, but with the exception that you can set the fan speed. Now this is nice to see. I know that Eberspacher you cannot set this speed. So overall, looks like a really complete controller. Also works for the water heaters. Yeah, in the water heaters you don't have so many options, of course, like the air heaters, but for this I think it's a really cool controller. We will see how it works. Okay, next let's see, we have another set of brackets and clamps and screws. I'm not exactly sure, yeah, but I see this, it's really nice. So mounting kit of the exhaust pipe and heater. Is this also labeled? Air intake mounting kit, yeah. Very nice that they label this thing, so you know where to put all these little accessories. Okay, mounting kit for harness. This is probably from the fuel pump, and some zip ties. We have the pump holder. Again, we have the fuel system kit, like it says here on the label. Little hoses, also these hose clamps. Yeah. Okay, next. Now this is probably to the controller, if I remember. Yeah, this is where I saw this connector, so this is for the controller. A really big connector. This is for the, I don't know, fuel pump, so it says it here. So this will probably go to the main harness, this also, and this will go to the controller, and these two pins will be mounted in this connector right here. Okay, that's a part of the harness. We have the main harness with the fuses. I don't know why we have to. Oh no, this is just plus. Even the minus is through a fuse. Now this is something I don't usually see. So also the positive and the negative cable is run through the fuses. Yeah, interesting approach. And from here, where could this go? We have another part here. Oh, this goes directly to the heater. Interesting. We'll see it in just a minute. So we have an intake pipe, which is really thick and also has a kind of silencer. Now the quality of this is like the ones used for electrical installation. At least this is the feeling I'm getting from it. Yeah, it's the same sound thickness. I can see some fiberglass inside here, probably to dampen the sound of the fan. Well, it's not really a high quality piece, but it's here. It could be that it's really functional. The next is the heater. If I can take it out of here, it's packed tightly. Oh guys! Oh yeah, we have the... I was wondering where the exhaust pipe is, but it's there. So here we have... Probably this is the main supply. But I'm just wondering why the cables are so thick here and then they are coming to this thinner wires, probably because of the length, I don't know, really strange. Anyway, so we have here at the heater a lot of connectors. This one is probably for the control panel. I don't know, this is maybe a sensor, who knows. And I think one is the fuel pump and one is the main power supply to the heater. The quality seems similar. The quality of the plastic similar to the AUTOTERM one. And yeah, this is pretty much it. We will probably do another video when we compare it to AUTOTERM or another heater. We have the fuel pump here, really heavy one, and really big diameter holes here for the fuel. Yeah, also the direction, everything is marked here. Yeah. And next, I think we need to take this out. This is a nice thing to see. This is a protection for the exhaust. Yeah, I don't see it in other kits, so in other heaters do not offer this. We have it for sale, but not in the kit, so this is nice to see. Also a fuel pickup line. Sorry for moving the camera. Really big one. And we get to the exhaust pipe, which is here. And I will not take it out of the box because, okay, let's take it out, why not? And here, this is the final piece, very similar to AUTOTERM, the quality also, and stainless steel, I believe. Yeah, really good quality. It's no problem with this one. This is the unboxing of the planar heater, at least the version we got. Everything fits inside the box. I will probably not be able to put back everything that we took out, so don't worry, we will do a teardown video also to see what's inside, but probably next time. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a nice day, don't forget to like and subscribe, bye bye.